Hello friends, this is Kajal Khatri. Welcome to the world of creative coding with me. In this video, we dive into the delightful art of drawing pies using processing. So, to start, I'll write the setup function, which is the built-in function in processing. So, void setup and then the parentheses and then the brackets. Now I'll set the canvas size to 400 and end with a semicolon like this. So this is it for the setup function, guys. Next, I'll write the draw function and set the background in it. Void draw. For background, I'll write the background 255. So this will set the background to white. After setting the background, I'll write code to draw a pie here in the draw function itself. So I'll write arc 200, 200, 100, 100, pi by 2, pi, and pi. Let's break down the parameter of arc function and what each parameter does. The first 200, 200, these are the x and y coordinates of the center of the pie slice. 100, 100, these are the width and height of the ellipse that defines the shape of the pie slice. Pi by 2. This is the starting angle of the pie slice in radians. Here it's set to pi by 2, which corresponds to 90 degrees or the 3 o'clock position. Pi. This is the ending angle of the pie slice in radians. Here it's set to pi, which corresponds to 180 degrees or the 6 o'clock position. PIE pi. This parameter indicates that the arc should be closed and filled, resulting in a pie slice. Next, I'll also fill this pie with color red. For that, I'll write method above this line. So, fill 100, 100, 200 to set it to blue and, as always, end the line of code with a semicolon. Let us run this code snippet and see what we get in the output. See guys, we got a pie with blue color in the pop-up window. This is how we draw a pie using arc in processing. That's it guys. Remember to adjust the parameters of arc function as needed to create different pie slices with varying sizes and positions. Happy coding!